Mommy. My name is Amanda. If this is your first time here, and today what we're going to be doing is my month 2 check-in with my keto lifestyle that I've been doing, guys. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you continue watching. Okay guys, so before we get started, I did want to make sure to remind y'all to not forget to go ahead and go follow me on Instagram and Facebook, which I will have those names coming across your screen right now, guys. And also, just to let you know, if this is your first time here, the type of videos that I upload is, of course, keto, like you're watching. I do recipes, I do cleaning, I do lifestyle, I do unboxing, unbaggings, hauls, like, grocery hauls, clothing hauls, makeup. I do makeup tutorials, mommy life, kind of just a little bit of everything, guys, is what I do. But today what we are doing is our 2-month checkup on my keto journey, guys. So I already did get all my measurements done. I've been keeping track of them. I measure myself every Tuesday. If you can hear my dog, I'm sorry. I'm actually, they're right here by me on the corner while I'm filming this, guys, so they might be a little loud. It's like I was saying, I do have all my measurements and my weight between month 1, which if you have not seen that video before, guys, I will link it up here in the corner. That way you can go check it out. And so I have all my measurements from month 1 to month 2, which was on Tuesday of this week. So I do have that paperwork right here, guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. So starting with my waist, in between for month 1 to month 2, the total loss I have is 5.65 inches. For my left arm, and when I say arm, I mean like up here, this top part of my arm. My total loss there is 1.7 inches. For my right arm, it is 1.2 inches. My left thigh was not as, my thighs did not do as good as I hoped they would, guys. That one was 0.4 inches. My right thigh, I actually gained 0.1 inches in it. My hips, I lost a total of 1.5 inches. My bust area, I lost a total of 2.4 inches. And my weight in total between month 1 and month 2, I lost an additional 10.7 pounds. So in total, when it comes to my inches lost for between month 1 and month 2, I lost 12.85 inches. And like I said, these were just my measurements between the ending of month 1 to the ending of month 2. So I will be doing these uploads every month and checking in with you guys. I'll continue uploading all different kinds of recipes and things like that. If y'all are interested in me uploading more of a weekly weigh-in or weekly measurements with y'all guys, letting you know how my weeks are doing, I'll be more than happy to do that. If that is something that you're interested in, make sure you go ahead and leave a comment down below. And also, I am going to be coming out soon with a video just on pretty much your keto basics. Your basic foods that you would eat, your basic things that you need to know before going on the keto lifestyle journey. I know previously this week I did let y'all know on my Instagram account in my stories that I had felt like I had gained like 20-25 pounds being at my mother-in-law's. In all honesty, when I went and weighed myself this morning, I gained like 1.5, which is more than likely just water weight, or because, my girl thing's coming along in a couple days. So that's probably all that is. I probably didn't actually gain anything. It just felt like I did because I ate nothing but tamales and pumpkin pie and barbacoa, which all those did taste amazingly great, but none of those are keto friendly. I'm pretty sure there is some keto-friendly ways to have all that stuff out there. I don't think the barbacoa was that bad for me, but the tamales and the pumpkin pie with the whipped cream definitely was bad for me, guys. But like I always say, every day you can make different changes. Every meal you can make different changes. The only thing that you can do is be in control of what you eat and how you are, guys. So if you are on any kind of journey, whether it is the keto journey or it is some other type of journey to lose weight or even gain weight, guys, just always remember, every day, all you can do is do your best and put your best foot forward. Every meal, every day, make sure that you're the one that puts that effort forth, because at the end of the day, you're the one that has to answer to you and your body, guys. Nobody else can. So I know this was real quick and simple, guys, but I did want to check in with y'all. So again, don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook, which will be coming across your screen. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you did, don't forget also give it a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed yet, you might want to consider subscribing before you leave, guys. And I will see y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye, guys.